Welcome to Property Parihara. Today I am going to teach you how to apply certified copy through Kaveri online services. So click on start a new application and select certified copy, that is online CC. Click on continue and here select after 1/1/2004 and click on proceed. After clicking on proceed, you will arrive to this page. As you can see, the document number is printed on the back side of your document. So you should check your document number and enter here. For example, if you are searching for BDA document, BDA-1 hyphen whatever the number it is. So I am typing dummy number 00000 hyphen 2005 and 6, the financial year number, and click on search. After clicking on search, you will get result. After getting the result, check these two check boxes and click on proceed. You will be arriving to payment page. Now click on make payment. Click on continue. Here in this there are two modes of payment. One is net banking, one is NEFT or RTGS. Here we choose net banking for good and convenient purpose. And I will usually choose SBI ePay to make the payment. Here type the captcha given and check these two boxes and submit. After submitting, you will have four options of making payment. One is debit card or credit card, SBI corporate credit card, net banking and UPI. So I choose UPI QR and pay now. I have completed the payment. After completing the payment, you will get the transaction receipt in which the status will be payment received at payment gateway, and click on return to application now. Now go to CC applications and here you have to do e-sign for your form 22, that is for the application. Get OTP, click on submit. After e-signing, you will be arriving to application summary page again. Scroll down completely, you will get submit button here. So you have to submit this one. After submitting, you will get a pop-up stating it is successfully submitted. You can close it. I hope I have explained you very well about how to apply certified copy. If you have any doubts, you can comment your doubt on the comment section. If you like the video, like it, share it to your friends, family and colleagues so that it will help everyone. And thank you for watching and keep visiting Property Parihara for more such good information.